Greetings, I'm Heinz Schaefer, Senior Vice President of Product and Strategy with Volkswagen Group of America. And today, I'm very pleased to present to you the newly refreshed Model Year 22 Jetta and Jetta GLI. Now, although US buyers are moving more towards SUVs, the sedan segment still represents a significant portion of the market. Likewise, it is undeniable that Jetta has been and continues to be a key pillar in the Volkswagen lineup. Jetta is Volkswagen's most recognizable nameplate in the US and has been in the market for over 40 years, selling more than 3.5 million units as of 2020. Today, Jetta represents one of our top 3 volume models. It is still the largest share of segment vehicle within our lineup. Jetta also has the second highest brand loyalty amongst Volkswagen vehicles, and last but not least, the Model Year 21 Jetta is best in class among compact sedans when it comes to cost of maintenance, and the Model Year 22 will likely remain competitive in this realm. Now, Jetta is the face of Volkswagen and provides customers a vehicle with a youthful and polished design in addition to reliability and value. Changing gears to the GLI. The GLI was introduced in 1984 and was in fact dubbed a GTI with a trunk. Its mission was pretty simple: to deliver an accessible German performance sedan. And the Model Year 22 edition carries this mission forward and delivers the power and precision of a hot hatch, but at a much more affordable price point. Let's see what both these models have in store for Model Year 22. Now, the Jetta's enhancements focus on elements that strengthen the existing positioning of the vehicle and support the value, which is so core in this compact sedan segment. The Model Year 22 Jetta adds sought-after features and delivers an improved driving experience with the all-new 1.5-litre engine. It's also complemented with attractive design enhancements to both the interior and exterior. So let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, you can see that the Jetta features a more open upper and lower grille, giving the car a more solid, strong stance. In the rear, the vehicle is fitted with a new rear diffuser featuring chrome accents on either side. Now, the Model Year 22 is also equipped with new 16 and 17-inch wheel designs ranging from sporty to sophisticated, and this also includes a black wheel option available for the SE trim. Now, in terms of the interior, the Jetta's interior features have been upgraded with subtle design enhancements that offer a more polished finish. Jetta is fitted with new decors with modern designs, as are featured here in this SEL. We've also included a new steering wheel design and gear shifter, which offers a more modern, sleek appearance. In addition, the Model Year 22 Jetta features new textile upgrades, including ceramic contrast stitching found on the door trim panels, the armrest, and of course, also the seats. Further, the Model Year 22 Jetta now also offers a new volcano brown leather and two-tone cloth fabrics found on the lower lines, including the introduction of a GLI-like cloth in the new sport trim. In terms of technology and driver assistant features, the Model Year 22 Jetta has been standardized with autonomous emergency brake and blind spot detection. In addition, IQ Drive driver suite of assistant features are now available on all trims, including travel and emergency assist, 2 features which are new to the Jetta car line. Now let's talk standard equipment. The Jetta is equipped with standard digital cockpit, standard App Connect for compatible devices. It includes CarNet with Wi-Fi and also has the following available features, including Beats Premium Audio System, ambient lighting, wireless App Connect, including wireless charging for compatible phones, and of course, last but not least, ventilated seats. Now, in terms of powertrain, there's some big news here. The Jetta has been equipped with the latest generation EA211, fitted with new technology and slightly larger displacement to both improve performance and drivability. The engine enhancements deliver 158 horsepower and 184 pound-foot of torque. In addition, the Jetta continues to be offered with that manual transmission, remaining very true to Volkswagen's drivers wanted roots. Now let's make our way over to take a closer look at the GLI. Now the GLI exterior upgrades include a new honeycomb grille and a bumper which encompass that signature GLI red accent lines on either side. The design is rounded out with the support of beautiful new 18-inch alloy wheels. And the vehicle also features new badging found on both the front and the rear of the car. In terms of the rear, we have a new rear honeycomb diffuser sporting beautiful chrome dual exhaust pipes, and this now has a more amplified sound. The new GLI exhaust has an improved exhaust system with better acoustics from enhanced mechanical parts, so there are no fake noises from sound actuators. Lastly, if you focus on those tips, we have larger oval tips that are made with the highest quality materials and finished in a beautiful chrome. Switching gears to the interior, the GLI interior upgrades continue to refine the sporty appearance of this much loved car. And enhancements include the new red crust seating accents, and as you can see, the seat perforation is lined with red accents that add a unique and very beautiful depth and sporty appearance, very much fitting of the GLI. Accompanying the seat accents are also new design clips found on the gear shifter and the steering wheel, which feature that much loved GLI moniker. Now the GLI is complemented with new red dash decor inserts, and contrast stitching can be found in both the door trim panels and the armrest. Now if we shift gears to talk about the offer structure, the GLI offer structure is really very simple and is only limited to one model, which is the Autobahn, and it includes all the following standard content: a haptic touch steering wheel, standard IQ Drive driver assist features, wireless CarPlay and wireless charging for compatible phones, light assist, a standard digital cockpit, a very cool Beats premium audio system, and for the first time, a standard DCC adaptive dampening system. Also available is a very beautiful black optic package on the exterior. Now when we talk about powertrain, customers were generally very happy about the GLI powertrain, so the model year 22 remains largely unchanged. We remain with that very faithful 2-litre turbo TSI engine, which delivers 228 horsepower and 258 pound-foot of torque. Now that remains mated to the 7-speed DSG, and of course, yes, we retain the 6-speed manual as well. So to sum it up, in a sea of SUVs, we still believe the Jetta is of absolute importance in our Volkswagen lineup. We're taking the model year 21, which already excelled in terms of space, value and drivability, and we push those elements even further with the model year 22. With its punchy new powertrain, additional content and beautiful design enhancements, we believe the Jetta will continue to do well for the brand in the compact sedan segment. We thank you very much for your time and attention, and we cannot wait to get you behind the wheel of the new Jetta and Jetta GLI.